What's up, guys? Crypto Wolf here. How you guys doing? In this particular video, I'll be talking about the ORB trading strategy. It's a strategy for short-term trading and it's very effective, especially if you combine it with another indicator like the RSI divergence indicator. It becomes a very powerful strategy for you to get short-term gains. So if you're ready, let's dive in. First, what is ORB trading strategy? ORB strategy focuses on the price range of an asset within a certain time frame like 15 minutes or 1 hour. But most times we use the 15 minutes time frame because it's a short-term strategy that can help you get in and out of a trade fairly quickly. So I will show you exactly how it works, how do you use the ORB trading strategy. The ORB is used to mark the high and low points as resistance, which is the top of the range, and support, the bottom of the range. I'll show you on the chart. The strategy is to watch for a breakout beyond this level. So for a bullish move, for a bullish entry, it has to break above the top of the range, and for a bearish it has to break below the bottom of the range. So that's how it works. It's a fairly simple and straightforward strategy. Very simple. Then how do you use it? Bullish breakouts. If the price breaks above the resistance level, indicates a potential upward trend. You would enter a buy position at this breakout. Then for a bearish breakout, if the price drops below the support level, it suggests a downward trend and you would enter a short position. Because the crypto market trades 24 hours, what we do is that you choose the um, beginning of the day, and the beginning of the day is 1 a.m. That's when the crypto market starts a new day, because that's how the time frame is. So it's 1 a.m. That's when the crypto market starts a new day. So you go and this is a Bitcoin chart. You go 15 minutes, then you look at 1 a.m. 1 a.m. is 100, so that's what we're looking for here. I just want to show you how this works. 1 a.m. Okay, this is 12 1 a.m. Okay, this is 1 a.m. So this particular candle is the 1 a.m. candle, which tells you that it's the beginning of a new day. This is how the crypto market works. It begins 1 a.m. on that's how a new day is calculated, 1 a.m. So what you do is the price range is the price it was trading at the beginning of the day. The highs and the lows of that particular candle is the price range. So you click on this horizontal line at the top here. This is the top of the price range. Then you go again, this is the bottom of the price range. So you see this candle, top, bottom. So a break above this top gives you a bullish sentiment and you can enter into the trade, and this is exactly what happened here. So this is exactly what happened here. This was a convincing break above the price range, and you see it went to the upside before coming down. So this is a short-term move. So if you're on a higher leverage, this will give you something very reasonable. This will be good profits on a high leverage. So it's the same thing when it breaks below. If it breaks convincingly below the support area, which is the bottom of the price range, that's when you take a short position. Well, to help you with all of this, there's a guy who created an indicator that helps you with all of this, so you don't have to draw it manually. You go to your indicators tab, you search for opening range breakout. That's ORB opening range breakout by ZZZ Crypto 123. This guy created a very great indicator to help you pinpoint the opening range without having to draw it manually. So you just click on it and you set the time. You go to the settings of this indicator, then you set it correctly. You see the ORB total time in minutes is 15 minutes. So the section time, you have to correct this because the crypto market starts at 1 a.m. So it's going to be 1 a.m. to 1:15. So that's exactly what I want to do here. 1 a.m. to 1:15. So this is it. So if you see, it still gives us exactly the same thing. So this is the beginning. This top here, you see it's colored with green, which looks like a bullish line. Then this is red, which is a bearish line. So you see a convincing break um above this line gives you the confidence to enter into this trade and ride it up to this point. But if you really want to confirm this, another very extremely powerful indicator you can use combining with this ORB indicator, it really makes it really enhances the signal, and that's the RSI divergence indicator. When you pair these two together, believe me, it's a match made in heaven, and it works like over 90% of the time. So what you're looking for is a bullish or a bearish break and an RSI divergence confirmation. So that's exactly what you're looking for. So let's see if we can get something. If there's something, yeah, okay, I think we'll get something here. Uh, this is not convincing enough. It's not close to the ORB indicator. We're looking for something very close to the ORB indicator. Okay, so I think we could make use of this. So you could see this is a bullish divergence and proceeded by an ORB breakout to the upside. And you see, you see, you see, you see, this is beautiful. So just imagine you had taken the trade at this point and bam, you just go as in even up to this point, and this will give you like a certain percentage up to about 8% profit if you just follow the ORB strategy paired with the RSI divergence. So this is crypto. Thanking you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video.